So everyone's taking the sunset. Oi, oi. Like bicycle lah. Okay, I'm now going to explore the newly opened Changi Jurassic Mile, which is, there's a connector from East Coast, which is there. Right, so that's the country club, right, which is at the end of East Coast. If you're familiar with the whole, if you go along the whole stretch of the beach, that's the country club. So you cross that road, you'll come to this sign. We're gonna do the Changi Jurassic Mile. So basically it's a connector that connects East Coast to all the way to Changi Airport. I think you're going right along the airport runway, but then they have this thing called the Jurassic Mile, which apparently has dinosaurs and stuff like that along the way. I heard that they even make sounds. So let's go and check it out. I'm on skates today, just so we can move along a little bit faster. Alright. Okay, so this is it. Go through the car park. Water point. Some more car park. Where are we? Terminal 4, I think. Okay, so we made it from East Coast to the Dinosaur Mile stretch, and this is, I think, Terminal 4. It's not yet open, but the path kind of ends, the Dinosaur Mile ends there, but it's another 2.2 km to this hub and spoke, Changi Airport. So I'm quite curious to see what this is. I think it's probably like a nice rest stop if you're on wheels. I guess with the name hub and spoke, it should be some bicycle-ish themed thing. So let's head to that. But like going all around the airport, basically. And we are here at Hub and Spoke. So I think this is probably, like, say, the start point of the Changi Airport connector, depending on which side you want to start from. So this is the Changi Airport side, and there is, you can see, like, you can rent bicycles, you can have a drink or food at the cafe. There's also a water cooler in case you want to fill out your bottle, and of course there are washrooms. For me, I'll probably start on the East Coast side, but if you stay nearer to the Changi Airport side, you might want to start here. I thought it was a fun experience. Some of the exhibits, like the T-Rex, were pretty cool. The whole thing was quite quirky and a bit random actually, but I would say well done, Singapore. No offense to cyclist friends, but the path is on the narrow side, so I would not recommend cycling there, just for the safety and convenience of everyone, especially when crowded. And it was really crowded, even for a weekday evening when I went, so I can only imagine the craziness on weekends, man. My advice is to do early mornings, and actually to do early mornings on weekdays instead. I personally wouldn't mind going again, but probably only if part of a longer running or skating route, or if I was meeting friends at Hub and Spoke. That's because the Jurassic Mile was cool, but the rest of the Changi connector takes you through the airport car park and along the road, which makes it a useful link to the airport, but admittedly not the most scenic of routes. Overall though, the Jurassic Mile portion makes for a fun visit, especially for kids. Plus, it's absolutely free of charge, so can't complain. Okay, and that's it, the Changi Airport connector. Maybe I'll see you here soon.